Good evening, traders. This is Daud from Elliott Wave Forecast.com. I am presenting to you the 1 hour Elliott Wave analysis of Euro Pound. In fact, we will be using a 90-minute chart in this video instead of the 60-minute chart, just for clarification purposes and to avoid confusion. Right. So, if you recall that in our previous video, we were expecting the pair to correct this cycle here, this move up, which we knew was coming to an end. It got rejected at the trend line, which you cannot see on this chart right now. So our expectations were that we were going to correct this move from 81.63 to 83.49, and ideally we were looking for a test of 82.34, 82.56 region, and then we were expecting the rally to resume from here. And we also said in that video that this view would remain valid as far as the pivot at 81.63 low remained intact in our proprietary system. So earlier on today, when price pierced through the 61.8 fib retracement level at 82.34, the pivot here at this low, it gave up in our system, which was enough confirmation for us to believe that this low is not going to hold. And if you remember that previously we had the wave B labeled here, and we were expecting this low here to hold for more upside, but as this pivot gave up, so we're now looking for more downside in the pair, and the previously alternate wave count is now the primary view that this low here was just wave A, and this 3-wave move up to the equal legs area, and which got rejected at the trend line was wave B. So let's take a look at the decline from 83.50 high and see what it looks like. And you can see it here on the chart that we are anticipating this decline to become an impulse. And the reason for that is there is you see that this strong move down here between red 2 to red 3. This is clearly a wave 3 price action, and we believe this only completed wave 3 of 3. It was the middle part of wave 3, and now we are expecting a pullback here in the red wave 4, which should fail between 82.12 to 82.29. Okay, so those are 23.6 to 38.2 fib retracement levels of this wave 3 decline here. And the key level would be 82.43, which is the 50% of this wave 3 decline. And in conventional Elliott wave, wave 4 is allowed to go as deep as it can, as long as it does not enter the territory of wave 1, which starts from here according to this wave count around 82.81. But it is quite obvious that if we go that high, and this is no longer going to be a wave 4, so there has to be some way, there has to be a way through which we can find out at an early stage that the recovery that we are seeing is not a wave 4 and it could be something else. So at EWF, we use the 50% of wave 3 as the invalidation level for wave 4. So we don't label a recovery as a wave 4 recovery if it exceeds the 50% retracement of the proposed wave 3. So that level here stands at 82.42. As far as price stays below this level, we would be expecting more downside, and one new low is going to complete the blue wave 3. After that, we should see another 3-wave pullback in blue wave 4, one more leg down, which is going to complete a nice 5-wave move down from this peak here. And clearly, we're going to have 3 waves up, followed by 5 waves down, which would mean that there is going to be more downside extension. That is why we would expect the pair then to correct this entire decline here in 3 waves, 3, 7, or 11 swings. And once again, as this pivot here remains intact during this B wave pullback, we would be expecting failure in the 50-61.8 fib retracement area of this drop, followed by more downside in the pair, which can take it as low as 80.55 to 80.81 area. All right, so that's what we're looking at in the Euro Pound. And for further updates, please feel free to visit our website, and you can sign up for a 14-day trial as well. Take care of yourself and have a great evening.